In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in OneNote. First, let's open OneNote. You can find the OneNote icon on your desktop or in your applications menu. Double-click on the icon to launch the application. Once it's open, you will see a familiar interface that resembles a digital notebook. This is a great tool for organizing your notes and tasks. It is essential to ensure that you are using the latest version of OneNote for the best experience. If you have not used it before, you will quickly notice its user-friendly layout, which makes it easy to navigate. Once OneNote is open, the next step is to create a new page. Look for the plus page button, typically located at the bottom of the page list on the left side of your screen. When you click this button, a blank page will appear, ready for you to customize. This step is crucial because it gives you a fresh canvas to work on. You can create multiple pages for different purposes, but today we are focusing on your calendar. Now it's time to name your new page. Click at the top where it says Untitled Page and type in Calendar. Naming your page is important as it helps you quickly identify your calendar later. A clear title will make your workspace organized and easy to navigate. After typing the name, simply press Enter, and you will see the title change, confirming that your page is now dedicated to your calendar. Next, we will insert a table into your page. Click on the Insert tab in the top menu bar. From there, look for the Table option and click on it. This action opens a grid that allows you to select the size of your table. For a weekly calendar, you will want to create a table with 7 columns. Each column will represent a day of the week, which is key to organizing your schedule effectively. To create the table, drag your mouse over the grid until you have selected 7 columns and 1 row. Then click to insert the table into your page. You should now see a blank table ready for your entries. This visual structure is crucial as it helps you to lay out your week clearly. It provides a straightforward way to keep track of your appointments and tasks. Now it's time to add the days of the week to your table. Click into each of the 7 columns and type in the following: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Make sure each day is in its own column. This organization is important as it sets the foundation for your weekly planning. Once you have added all the days, you can take a moment to admire how organized your calendar looks already. After that, we will add the dates inside the table. Click on the first cell under Monday and enter the date for that day. Continue this process for each day of the week. For example, if you are starting from the first of the month, you would enter the first date under Monday and continue sequentially across the row. Adding dates gives your calendar context, helping you to visualize your schedule within the month. Finally, it's time to type in your appointments, tasks, or events under each date. Click into the cell under the appropriate day and jot down what you need to remember. You can add anything from meetings to reminders. This step is essential for effective time management. It ensures that you have a clear view of your commitments for the week. Congratulations, you have successfully created a calendar in OneNote. This simple yet powerful tool will help you stay organized and on top of your tasks. By following these steps, you can easily manage your time and keep your life in order.